Hi everybody, it's Crystal. So I hope everybody's doing well and staying safe. So first off, I want to say I do have a tutorial for this hat. It is called my chocolate bonbon beanie. If you type that in on my channel, you will find it. In the tutorial, it's made with brown yarn, but this one is actually made with loops and threads impeccable. So either or, any 4-weight yarn will work just fine. Today I want to show you something I'm super stoked to get. I am very excited. If you know me, you know I love, he's my idol, Freddie Mercury. Oh man, do I love Freddie so much. Freddie Mercury from Queen, my idol, my favorite singer. Yes, I do. Well, anyways, I bought from an Etsy seller who's actually part of my YouTube family here. She comments on my YouTube channel and has been following me on YouTube, and she makes bags on Etsy, homemade bags. And I will link her Etsy shop below. It's called Anonymous Amy Makes, but like I said, I'll put a link below. And she makes the cutest project bags ever, and she custom makes. Well, I saw this Freddie fabric in Queen fabric at Joann's. I just got it in. I'm like, I want her to make me something. And I messaged her, and yes, she did. She made me exactly what I wanted. I haven't opened it yet. I just got it. So she did a custom order. Didn't take very long at all, actually, to do it. And the shipping took like 2 days to get here. It came from Kentucky to Illinois. And I'm very excited to look at them. All I did was told her what I wanted, and we'll see what it looks like. I don't even use project bags, but I had to have. I saw that Freddie fabric, and I'm like, I need project bag made out of it. So I had her make me 2 project bags, and then a crossbody, or I think it's a crossbody. I don't know. Let me look. Some type of purse. I can't remember. But anyways, oh, there's 2 here. Okay, which one are we gonna open first? Let's do this one. Gosh, I'm excited. This is like Christmas, because I know it contains Freddie stuff. Homemade Freddie stuff. Doesn't get better than that. What's this? So, there's my invoice. This says, thank you, Crystal, Anonymous Amy. A card for me. That's nice. Very sweet. Thank you card. Thanks. It says, hi Crystal, here are the bags you asked for. I hope they are everything you expected. I used some of the leftover fabric and made you a bracelet as a small way to show my gratitude. Also, I know how Evelyn loves pink, so I hope it's okay that I made her a pink unicorn bag somewhat like yours. Please let me know if I can make anything else for you. Take care and enjoy your new bags. Thanks sincerely, Anonymous Amy. Etsy, Anonymous Amy Makes. Oh my gosh. So, I paid for all this stuff, right? But I didn't pay for this. She made Evelyn a... Thank you so much, Amy. Evelyn is going to flip out. Oh my gosh, she is going to carry this around. Oh, look how well that's made. Look at the inside. Oh my gosh, I gotta bring her in here for this. Let me look at my Freddie stuff. This is adorbs. Thank you so much. You didn't have to do that. That was so nice. Look at this Freddie bag. And she made me a bracelet. She watches my channel and knows I like the wrist candy. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna wear this all the time. Oh, it's 2-sided. Thank you so much, Amy. That is so nice. You did not have to do that. I love it. Oh, look at this bag. That is beautiful. Look at this bag. That's leather. Oh, I told her she could line it in any color she wanted to surprise me. Look at that. It matches really well with that queen emblem. Oh, it smells like leather too. Here's the handle. Oh, this is so nice. Wow, I don't know, this is way more than I expected. That is beautiful. It looks like royalty, the color of it, because Freddie's royalty. I mean, he's the king and queen. Look at that, and it matches so well. It's beautiful. Thank you so much, Amy, for accommodating my request. I have 2 more still, and I'm flipping out over these 2 already. This is nice. You know, I don't carry a bag, but you know what? I think I might carry this when I go to Walmart. If I go to Walmart or stuff, Michael's. That's nice. Look at that. I like it. Oh, smells clean. Smells like leather, fresh leather. Wow, that's nice. Very well made. Such clean lines. Wow. I'm no good at sewing. I could never have done this. This is beautiful. Excellent, excellent work. I'm extremely happy. I can't wait to see the other ones. Now these 2 are the same type of bag, but just different material. Oh, I'm ripping the bag open because I'm so excited, and there's a zipper. Okay. Wow, look at that. So nice. So nice. So look at this. It's got stretchy there. And it has this that comes out that you could put your notions and whatnot in. Oh, it's beautiful. It's got pockets on this side. Here. 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 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pockets. 2 smaller ones and 1 bigger one. Let's look at the inside. 2 handles there. Well, let me find the zipper real quick. I can open it up. Beautiful. I love the lining you did on that. Look at that. Matches perfect. I love the little black little stars lining. It's got a zipper on the inside too, for more notions or whatever. That is a nice bag. That is beautiful. Beautiful. You know, one of these are going to be for a giveaway. One day. Maybe, if I could part with it. Very nice. So that zipper turns up like that. See that? And then you tuck it under. Very, very nice. Lots of stuff. And I like the pouch that's inside. Very nice. Now this is the one that's for me. For certain. I wanted this one so bad. The fabric. It's Freddie. Oh my gosh, it's Freddie. This is his iconic pose. I have yarn that I sell in my Etsy store that's yellow and white with black speckles. And it's called Ready Freddie. I don't have any now, but I will soon. Oh, wow. So this again is the same type of bag. Oh, it's so pretty. It's got the Notions bag. I love the lining that you used. It matches so well. It's the same. It's got the 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the front. Oh, it's got side ones too. The other one has side ones too. Lots of pocket room there. Oh, look at that inside fabric she used to line it. It's just, it goes so well. And I got the bracelet to match. I love it. Thank you so much, Amy. You did such a wonderful job on these. I'm speechless. You did such a beautiful job. I love it. I'm going to keep this one forever. This one is mine. It will never go into a giveaway. This is my Freddie bag. I'll always keep it. And I'm going to keep another one too. But I did have one specifically made to put in a giveaway. One day. Not today, but one day. That is so nice. There's just so many pockets on these. Wow. Check her out on Etsy. She has a lot of cute designs. And she custom orders. She made me the Freddy bags. These are so nice. And like I said, I love the fabric. I told her to just line it and whatever she thought would look good. They all look good. I love them. I love this leather bag too. And the fact that you made Evelyn something is so nice and so sweet. And the bracelet, I'm getting Evelyn. Just a second. All right, Evelyn, do you see these bags someone made me?
Yeah.
Who is that? You know who that is.
Ready?
Freddie. Aren't they nice?
Yeah.
You like bags, don't you?
Yeah.
Do you know this person is named Amy? And she watches my YouTube channel.
This one's mine.
This one's yours? No. Listen, this person that made these, her name's Amy, and she watches my YouTube channel. And she's part of our YouTube family. You know what she made for you?
No.
You want to see?
Yeah.
Open it up and look at the look how sparkly it is.
It's so pretty. I like the stars inside. Thank
Look
you,
at
Amy.
it. Thank you, Amy. It's
Thank
rainbow
you.
sparkles inside. You got a bag to carry around. What are you gonna put in it?
Toys.
Toys. Tell her thank you one more time.
Thank you.
Wasn't that nice of her?
Yes.
Yes, it was.
I didn't know I had this.
All right, you go fill it full of toys, okay?
Okay.
She loves it. Are you gonna carry it around?
Yeah.
She's carrying it around right now. She got it over her shoulder. Again, thank you so much for Amy. I love everything that you sent. You did a marvelous job. Guys, I suggest check her out. She takes custom orders. Plus, she has lots of cute stuff in her shop already. So, link below and in the comment section, all right? Thanks, everybody, for watching. Thank you, Amy. Evelyn loves it. I love it. We're all happy. 5 stars for you. Bye, guys. See you in my next video.